So you might be in this really weird situation where for some reason your Samsung Galaxy phone is just continuously stuck on airplane mode. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The number one thing you may just want to keep your eye out for is specifically within this particular panel right here. You want to swipe down your control panel, you want to swipe down one more time till you get into your control center, and you want to find airplane mode. The first thing you want to do is you want to go and see if you can toggle it off within your control center right here. If you're constantly able to just turn it on or off here, or let's say you're clicking it here and it's not turning on or off, then you want to make your way over to your settings application right here. So you want to go the opposite place where you normally go. You want to go inside of your connection settings here. You want to find airplane mode, which should be here, and you want to see if you can toggle it on or off inside of your settings. So do the exact same thing here. Try turning this on or off, and for a lot of people that might end up fixing the problem. So try doing that, and that could very well end up being the way that you can fix this problem for yourself. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing you may want to try doing here is trying to see if you can update your phone. Now, it might be hard because if you're on airplane mode, it may be hard to. So what you can try doing is restarting your phone. So just hold down the power button and try seeing if you can restart it. But if you're already on Wi-Fi, what you can do is go back into your settings application right up here. You want to scroll down until you find your little software update panel, which is right here. Click on download and install right up here. And you want to basically download and install the latest update that's available for your phone. So that's the next thing I'd recommend doing here too. And for a lot of people, that might end up fixing the problem for you. So try doing that. You want to see if that ends up working. If that still doesn't work, you may just want to go and double check that there's not some weird issue going on with your phone. You can try restarting your phone again and trying to see if there's an application that is still trying to just, basically just keep putting yourself inside of airplane mode. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.